As a former mental health provider and case manager, I can confidently say that people in your care are struggling to know where they can get help for their concerns. Not just regional or national concerns, but on-site help, meaning resources right in your organization itself. Your organization already has an impressive number of resource options. Think about how many people, offices, programs, text lines, or after-hours services you already have available to help. ConcernCenter was created to be a central resource hub, one place where people in your care find your resources in a much more user-friendly way. Let me show you what I mean. At ConcernCenter, we start with a list of concerns, pre-identified during focus groups that are common to your population. We then pair those concerns with your on-site and local resource options. This pairing allows the user to simply type their concern in their own words and find various local options that can help. Our resource card provides all of the information the user needs to understand that resource, including a description, information about languages spoken, fees for service and accessibility, GPS coordinates, and more. If the user wishes to contact the resource directly from our site, they can do so using the Contact Us feature. ConcernCenter will be fully customized to look like your organization. Your logo, your colors, text, links to report forms, and any additional concerns you know to exist within your population. We also have multiple platform options available to meet your specific needs. ConcernCenter's one-stop shop becomes a landing page you can easily market. It's the master of all resource directories. ConcernCenter is available in over 100 different languages. Natural language processing is also available. It is compliant with web accessibility guidelines, offers a quick escape feature for swift exiting from the site if needed, and our client success team will provide you with monthly data about usage, resources frequented, average session times, and top concerns searched. ConcernCenter has over 3.5 million users to date and is changing the way people find support. Let us help your users get the local and on-site resources they need easily, efficiently, and equitably. You can learn more about us, interact with our platforms, or request a price quote at www.concerncenter.com.